guys, this is Matt from Tech for Geeks, and today I'll be giving you a demo of OS X Yosemite. So as you may have heard, Apple released a preview to people who signed up on their website for the preview to test drive it, and luckily I was one of those people, and today I'll be showing you the public beta from Apple. So as you may see already from the beginning of this video, the top and the bottom taskbar have changed. So these styles, themes, whatever you want to call them, they are reflecting on Apple's new design technique, which is, you first saw it in iOS 7 and it's been carried over to the Mac. So you can see a transparency effect because I'm running this on a virtual machine, but you can see that the icons have changed. Like those, Safari's the same one from iOS, and then the other icons have been updated as well for many other apps, and iTunes will be updated as well. So Apple also added a dark mode for your Mac if you don't like the light mode, whatever. I'm fine with that, but they've also added a dark mode which you can enable by going into settings, and then you go into general, and here you have an option to enable dark menu bar and dock. So when you enable that, you get this nice dark mode feeling, which is okay for me, but I'm fine with the light mode. So besides that, Apple has also updated many of the apps, one being Spotlight, which now looks like a familiar app that many of you might have used, but now it's been carried over to the Mac. So now when you search something like Safari, you get suggestions of what it could be. So obviously I'm going to open the application, so let's open this up. You can press enter, I think, and you can click. I think it's enter. Okay, it's enter. So as you can see, Safari has also been changed. Instead of multiple rows, now it's one row where you can search, enter a URL, and stuff like that, which is really nice. So I can type in Google, and now go to google.com, of course, and it has this nice feeling to it. As you can see, these icons have also been changed. But now the plus sign, which is now these two arrows, it actually does what it's supposed to do. It makes it full screen now instead of sometimes of it not working and stuff like that, but now it actually goes full screen. So when you click this, you can go into a nice full screen mode, and this full screen mode works on Finder and most of your stock apps, and then other apps will be using it as well. So let me get out of this. So another thing that Apple has added is they've updated the notification center. So now this has a feeling to it just like iOS 7's, where you can actually put widgets. Hey, does that sound familiar? Well, yes it does. Apple has another widget thingy, which they've actually hid from people, but it still exists. But now you can actually add widgets, which is really nice because it's in your notification center. So you can add stuff like a world clock. Just drag it over here. You can add a Cupertino clock. You can click done. And there you go. You have the world clock of Cupertino. You can have weather, stocks, and I'm sure people will make their own if Apple, I think, lets them. But these are all things you can add to Apple's new widget thing in the notification center. And basically any app on Yosemite has been updated to iOS 7 feel, which is really nice. But that's all I'm going to show you today, and I can't wait till the final version comes out because that's when it'll be bug free, and I can't wait to use it and enjoy the new feel of macOS X. So yeah, thanks for watching.